Hey, how's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your cursor in Visual Studio Code, your cursor style, I mean. And this is not what you see here, this cursor, find my mouse cursor, but this one right here, this blinking thingy. Now, it's actually pretty simple. I got this question, and thanks a lot for this question, an interesting question. I got it on my YouTube channel from a user. And I thought to myself, man, I have to make a YouTube video, and I'm also going to create a blog post. I'm going to find the blog post down in the description below for a written tutorial for this, but I have to create a video because just writing it out in the comments is pretty much impossible. So here we go. It's actually pretty simple. Well, the question was, let me just reiterate, the question was how to change style and color of the cursor. I'm just going to show you it quickly. So you're going to go down here to settings, and there are two ways. Actually, the first way was to go to command, and then you can search for settings.json. Just here, open your settings. So this is actually the settings file, but you could also find the JSON file. And if I go to command palettes again, settings.json, and here are the open default settings JSON file. Now here's the JSON file, and if you want to find the exact setting for changing the cursor, then you just do a command or control F and search for editor.cursor. And from here, you can do a couple of stuff. You can change the style, and you can change, and actually you cannot change it. So let me just show you. If you try to change anything, it would tell you that cannot edit in read-only editor. Now, I also would suggest not to change it here. You can obviously change this file to be not read-only, but to be editable. I'm going to click this out and go away. But you can actually change it if you go to settings again. And this is the conventional way to change it. Go from here, settings. You're going to land here, search setting, and you can search here. I hope you can see this. Just going to zoom in a bit. And you can search from here for cursor, and you will find exactly the same thing. Now, if you want to change the cursor style or cursor blinking, then you can just change it from here. Now, let me drag this to the right side, and I'm going to use here, so right there, I'm going to use our previous project here, the Task Manager app. You can find it on my YouTube channel. Check it out to demonstrate this. Now you can see your cursor is blinking. This little thingy right here is blinking. Now if you change this to smooth, just click here. It's going to be blinking smoothly, so it's more slow. And you can phase, boom. Then you have solid. It's just staying there, not doing anything. I would leave it as blinking. Now the next thing you can change is, instead of having a line, you can have a block. It's actually a more thicker line. There you go. Now, I don't like the block because if I select something, well, it is selected like that. But if I, for example, go within here, what do you think is now selected? Is it, if I do a backspace, what do you think will happen? Will I delete D from head, or will I delete A? I will delete A. And this is annoying because this means that everything that is to the left of the blinking block will be actually influenced by the action that you do. And I don't like this. Is the old way. This is also a command line kind of block. Cursor, yeah. You can also do an underline. It's also pretty interesting. But again, everything that happens to the left side will be influenced. Then line thin, it's an extremely thin line. Then block outline like this. If you select something, then, for example, again, what do you think will be deleted if I hit a backspace, E or A? It's obviously until E, because I now selected everything. It's everything that is from the left side, or because I selected everything. So only if I click within here and try to delete something, then E will be deleted. Now you can also change, I'm going to change this back to line. You can also change the cursor surrounding the line. So if I type in here, let's say 10, then, and change this, I believe, to block, it's going to be massive. Now I'm going to leave this at null. You can change the cursor width. Let's do a 10 here. It's automatically going to increase it. Even if I have it as a line, it's going to increase it. Let's do a 100. Boom. 1000. Yeah, this is not getting any bigger. It seems that it does have a limit. I'm going to go back to 1. Now, cursor move type you can change here. Cursor override rule, multi-cursor phase, and a bunch of stuff. But sadly, you cannot change the color. Okay, you can change cursor width, cursor style, and so on and so on, but you cannot change the color. I didn't find any kind of setting to change the color. Would be nice to have a different color for the cursor, but it seems that it's not possible. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. That was a quick one. Hope it helped a lot, and I hope it helped you, friendly user, sir, ma'am, I don't know. Couldn't really understand your username, but I did hope it was helpful. So thank you very much for watching. I'm NorbitPM. If you want to support the channel, give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell in order to be notified when I post new videos. Also, if you want to support me, then check out my courses. They are down in the video description, on my blog, on my website. And you can find also multiple tutorials. Okay, everyone. So this being said, catch you next time. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.